To you friends, hope you all are doing well. Friends, please watch and subscribe my channel, and I really pray that it will be a real blessing in each one of your lives. Friends, today I am going to talk to you about what we are watching. What we watch, we become. So how important is to train our eyes to see the best things that the world can offer. There is a lot of choice in front of us, but what are we really watching and how it influences our lives? Let us think about it for a moment. But again, I request all of you to please subscribe my channel so that it can reach others as well. It will be a blessing to everyone. Friends, why waste our time in useless matter? We have 24 hours, which is limited time. And out of it, for 8 hours we sleep. Some time is for food, some time is for preparations, some time we have for prayers and meditation, some time we keep for personal grooming, cleaning, washing up, personal hygiene activities, some time for our studies or talent, some for physical rest. Most important time we wait eagerly in our lives is for entertainment on a daily basis. That keeps us going. All other activities okay, not bad or average. Some people lag behind on many issues. It is very important to use our time judiciously and especially watch out what we are watching. Judges 2:11 says, "Then the Israelites did evil in the eyes of the Lord and served the Baals." Many people are knowingly, unknowingly serving satanic activities in their lives. God is watching whether we are going for evil or we are walking in the godly ways. So it is very important how we are dealing with our lives. Proverbs 4:25 says, "Let your eyes look straight ahead, fix your gaze directly before you." Yes, friends, it is very important to train our eyes to look straight ahead, follow the right path. Matthew 18:9 says, "And if your eye causes you to stumble, gouge it out and throw it away. It is better for you to enter life with one eye than to have two eyes and to be thrown into the fire of hell." Yes, friends, it is so much important what we are doing with our eyes, what we are watching, how we are dealing with our time. When we are awake, what is the time we are utilizing for? So here it says, if your eye is causing you to stumble, then better not follow that way. Rather than going to the fire of hell, choose to change your ways to go to heaven. Proverbs 3 verse 7 says, "Do not be wise in your own eyes. Fear the Lord and shun evil." Bible always talks about foregoing all the evil in our lives and chasing after truth. So, about the topic about entertainment in our lives, what a sort of entertainment are we opting for in our lives? Is it watching TV or serials, social media, learning videos, horror shows, unacceptable cheap stuff available today, debates on various TV channels, unnecessary content without head or tail, useless time wasting activities, unwanted content, unsuitable videos or time pass videos? It's all depending upon our choice. So what are we watching for entertainment and to pep us up or to have a little smile on our face or to have a little refreshment amidst our tough and chaotic lives? Watch out, friends, for it's actually crucial for each one of us to make the right decision about what we are watching. It can build or it can really break us. So, our eyes are a gateway. You can give entry to devilish thoughts or righteous one. Whatever we watch has a direct connection to our lifestyle and our thinking. If we always watch sad stuff, horror, we become scared, depressed for no reason, because this will keep coming back in our thoughts. If we waste our precious time on entertainment that does not benefit us or refresh us or motivate us, time does not come back, friends. We get in serious trouble. So think about it. We already have lots of cares and responsibilities in life. So what we must do for a healthy entertainment? What are the steps we can follow? What we should see? Keep time for healthy entertainment. Watch stuff which will help us to learn new things, learn from others' lives, and get inspired. Programs, autobiographies, travel programs, which will give us new ideas, to see new places, to see things, to get new experiences that will help in our leading lives. Things to increase our knowledge. We can watch maybe Hindi, English, or other language programs. We can learn different languages. So much data is available today in the social media which we can use. If you want to lighten up, you can watch some good comedy shows and you can laugh for some time. Laughing is good for health. Music is soothing for the ears, as well as it is like medicine for some people. So if you love listening to soothing music, Christian music is something which encourages and brings hope and faith in your life. Every morning when you wake up, when you're working in the kitchen, you can put some Christian music and work, and it will make your work easier as well, and you will feel lighter as well. You can try that. Start your day with Christian messages or Christian music, songs, old songs or different language songs. It will help, it will boost up your, it will boost you up, it will motivate you up. Stop watching the serials showcasing adulterous relationships or villainous characters and evil actions and weird and scary facial expressions. It ruins your day, though it is addictive, and it's the only content mostly available on the TV channels these days most of the time. Choose your selection of watching the programs with family, maybe game shows or shows that interest you or which helps building you up. Manage your TV time well. Spend some time with your family, quality time. Start your day with godly content, as I already told you, prayer songs and Christian messages. It will really help you to have a great day ahead. Meditate for some time. Pray in tongues. Keep some time for meditation and prayer and reading Bible on a daily basis. Reduce the screen time. Sitting in front of TV for a long time, it's not a healthy practice. Rather, if possible, have some open air time. Maybe go to your garden, go to your terrace, go to your park, take your children, play with them, engage them wisely. engage them for physical activity so that they can enjoy their life too and have a good learning experience with you. Share helpful videos to your friends. Share helpful tips with your friends. Keep some communication time at home minus TV time. And take new ideas from the programs you're watching, maybe new recipes, try new things out, and really focus on what actually you're watching. And I really pray that this message about what you're watching be really helpful to you. God bless.